Salmon, a name that resonates with food lovers across the globe. It's a culinary chameleon, equally at home on a Michelin-starred plate or a humble dinner table. Whether it's a delicate sashimi in a high-end Japanese restaurant or a simple grilled fillet at a family dinner, salmon adapts and shines. This fish, with its vibrant pink flesh and rich flavor, has conquered the palates of the world. Its texture, its taste, and its versatility make it a favorite among chefs and home cooks alike. From Tokyo to Paris, New York to Buenos Aires, salmon is a staple. It's a global phenomenon, appearing in diverse culinary traditions and bringing a touch of elegance to any meal. It's a testament to the fish's versatility and global appeal. Whether it's smoked, grilled, baked, or raw, salmon finds a way to fit into every cuisine, every culture. But have you ever stopped to think about the journey it takes to reach your plate? The story behind each fillet is as rich and complex as the fish itself. The vast distances covered, the intricate processes involved, from the cold, clear waters where it's farmed or caught, to the meticulous handling and processing, every step is crucial. It's a story that speaks of human ingenuity, dedication, and a deep respect for the ocean's bounty. Fishermen brave the elements, and factory workers ensure the highest standards of quality and safety. This isn't just about a piece of fish, it's about a journey, a connection between the ocean and our dinner tables. It's about the delicate balance between feeding a planet and honoring the source. Sustainable practices are key to maintaining this balance, ensuring that future generations can also enjoy this incredible fish. It's a story that deserves to be told. A story of tradition, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. Let's dive into the fascinating world of salmon production, tracing its path from the icy depths to your fork. From the moment it's caught or harvested, to the final presentation on your plate, every stage is a marvel of modern food production. It's a journey that's as complex as it is captivating. Prepare to be amazed by the intricate dance of nature and human effort that brings this beloved fish to your table. The reign of salmon on the dinner plate is a story of global unity, culinary delight, and sustainable practices. The majority of salmon we consume today doesn't come from the wild. Instead, it is cultivated through advanced farming techniques. It's a product of aquaculture, a rapidly growing industry that has revolutionized how we source our seafood. In these facilities, a carefully controlled environment is designed to mimic the natural habitat of salmon, ensuring they thrive. Countries like Norway, Chile, and Canada are major players in this global industry, leading the way with innovative practices and technologies. Imagine vast circular nets submerged in the ocean, teeming with thousands of salmon. These nets are engineered to provide ample space and a natural-like environment for the fish. These fish farms, strategically placed in pristine waters, provide optimal conditions for growth. The quality of water is meticulously monitored to ensure the health and well-being of the salmon. The salmon are fed a specialized diet, rich in nutrients, ensuring they reach market size in a sustainable manner. This diet is carefully formulated to promote healthy growth and minimize environmental impact. But aquaculture isn't without its critics. Concerns about the environmental impact and fish welfare are significant issues that the industry faces. These concerns are constantly being addressed by the industry through research and the implementation of new technologies. Efforts are made to reduce pollution, prevent disease, and improve the overall welfare of the fish. The goal? To refine and improve farming practices, ensuring a balance between production and preservation. Sustainable methods are being developed to minimize the ecological footprint of fish farming. Harvesting is a carefully orchestrated process. It requires precision and care to ensure the quality of the fish is maintained. Nets are gently raised, bringing the salmon to the surface. This method reduces stress on the fish and helps maintain their quality. Speed is of the essence. The quicker the fish are processed, the fresher they remain. The fish are quickly sorted and prepared for the next stage of their journey, a race against time to maintain peak freshness. This ensures that by the time the salmon reaches your plate, it is as fresh and flavorful as possible. Freshness is paramount in the salmon industry. Once harvested, the clock starts ticking. The salmon, chilled to near freezing temperatures, are loaded onto trucks or airplanes. Their destination? Processing plants strategically located around the world. These aren't your average delivery trucks. These are refrigerated behemoths, equipped with sophisticated temperature controls. Every degree matters. Maintaining the cold chain is crucial to preserving the delicate flavor and texture of the salmon. Throughout the journey, rigorous quality control measures are in place. Samples are taken at every stage from harvest to processing to ensure the highest standards are met. Only the best salmon will make it to your plate. This is a logistical ballet, a symphony of coordination and precision. The goal is simple yet challenging: to transport a highly perishable product across continents while maintaining its pristine condition. Section 4. Precision and expertise. Processing and filleting salmon. The processing plant is where the magic happens. It's a place where raw, freshly caught salmon are transformed into the high-quality fillets that end up on your dinner table. It's a hive of activity, a blend of human expertise and technological marvel. The factory floor buzzes with energy, as workers and machines work in perfect harmony. Conveyor belts hum with purpose, carrying the salmon towards their transformation. Each step is meticulously planned and executed to ensure the highest quality. Automated machines, guided by lasers and sensors, remove the head, tail, and bones with surgical precision. These machines are the result of years of engineering and innovation. The filleting process is a sight to behold, a testament to engineering ingenuity. The machines slice through the fish with incredible accuracy, ensuring minimal waste. But it's not just about machines. The human element is equally important. Skilled workers, their eyes trained to spot imperfections, are an integral part of the process. They bring years of experience and a keen eye for detail. They inspect each fillet, ensuring only the highest quality pieces move on to the next stage. Their expertise ensures that every fillet meets the stringent quality standards. Human touch, combined with technological precision, is the secret sauce of this operation. It's this blend that ensures the final product is nothing short of perfect. The result? Perfectly portioned, boneless salmon fillets ready to meet the demands of discerning consumers worldwide. Each fillet is a testament to the hard work and dedication of the team. It's a testament to the dedication and skill of the people behind the scenes. Their commitment to quality and excellence is what makes this process truly remarkable. Section 5. Frozen freshness, packaging and preservation techniques. The journey from ocean to plate is a long one, often spanning continents and time zones. To preserve the freshness and flavor of the salmon, freezing is essential. But this isn't your grandma's freezer. Advanced freezing technologies, like flash freezing, are employed to lock in the salmon's natural goodness. This rapid freezing process prevents the formation of large ice crystals, which can damage the delicate texture of the fish. The packaging is just as crucial. Vacuum-sealed packs, often with a nitrogen flush, remove oxygen and prevent freezer burn. This ensures the salmon remains as fresh as the day it was caught, even after months in transit. The result? A product that's convenient, versatile, and readily available to consumers around the globe. Frozen salmon isn't a compromise. It's a testament to innovation and the pursuit of culinary excellence. Section 6. A global journey. Distribution and retail arrival. From processing plants to distribution centers, the journey continues. Refrigerated trucks and cargo planes become the arteries of a global network, transporting the salmon to every corner of the world. Imagine the logistics involved: coordinating shipments, navigating customs, ensuring temperature control across vast distances. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the interconnectedness of our modern world. Finally, the salmon reaches its destination, the supermarket shelves and restaurant kitchens where it will meet its ultimate fate. The journey, from ocean to plate, is complete. But it's not just about logistics and supply chains. It's about bringing a healthy and delicious protein source to millions of people worldwide. It's about connecting consumers to the bounty of the ocean, no matter where they live. Section 7. From sea to supper, reflecting on the salmon's journey. The next time you sit down to a meal featuring salmon, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it has taken. From the icy depths of the ocean to your plate, it's a story of human ingenuity, dedication, and a deep respect for nature's bounty. It's a testament to the delicate balance between feeding a planet and honoring the source. It's a reminder that even the simplest act of enjoying a meal connects us to a vast and intricate web of people, processes, and natural wonders. So savor that bite of salmon, knowing that it represents so much more than just a delicious meal. It's a testament to the power of human innovation and our enduring connection to the natural world.